Hey, welcome to the Experts MBA for experts like trainers, consultants, speakers, and coaches. And I am Arthur Carmazzi, best-selling author and currently ranked as one of the world's top 10 thought leaders in organizational culture and leadership. So today we are going to be talking about creating online programs. Well, because we're in the middle of COVID and a lot of people are looking to automate their income because, well, being online all the time is a little bit tiring, and some trainers and coaches and consultants aren't even getting that much work. So getting online is really the logical step in order to succeed in your expert business. Now, the problem is that most people, most experts, think that they can just transfer their knowledge into videos and sell that as an online program. And then they fail. And, well, that's bad. So what you want to do first is you've got to think of the whole marketing element in order to really succeed. So let's just kind of look at some of the elements that are going to help you to succeed in creating your online program. The first thing that you've got to do, step one, is identify where your customer is and where they want to go. So for example, in our online workshops MBA, where we help people to make online workshops in 4 weeks, one of the first things to do essentially is to identify their market. All right, so in that case, that is one of the milestones. Then we get them to see if that market is viable, meaning that they do some market research, which essentially is milestone number 2, right? Then you, based on what is in the market, what your people want, and all of the different milestones and what they want, then milestone number 3 is going to be about coming up with a title and a content that supports the emotions that people are feeling because they're stuck here and they want to be here. Okay, and so you're basically going through all of these different milestones in order to get to the ultimate end result, which is a sellable online program. Now, in your case, maybe you're going to be doing a program about branding, maybe you're going to be doing a program about leadership, maybe you're doing a program on NLP, I don't know. But whatever it is that you're doing, okay, you need to find out where your market is and where they want to be, and then every little milestone in between. Now, those milestones are very important because they're going to be the steps that are going to not just help you to create the program, but also market the program. Okay, let me explain. So let's take milestone number 2 of our online workshops MBA program, which helps clients to achieve an automated online workshop that is sellable, and we even sell it for them. So we have identified a lot of the issues and emotions that people have in achieving that ultimate result. And that ultimate result is essentially selling the program. It's not making the program. Making the program can be easy. The problem is that most people do it wrong. So by helping people to at least look into the different milestones and identifying the emotions of what's happening and what is the biggest problem is time, okay? And the biggest problem is discipline. Okay, and another biggest problem is essentially selling it. And when we address those 3 things in a video, for example, like this one, then you are going to have a marketing video that is supporting the eventual sale of your program. Now, that means that all of the different milestones, if you pick 2 or 3 of these milestones and you focus on helping people to overcome those big issues, then people are going to basically trust you. And if they trust you, then they're going to be interested in getting more information and possibly buy your program. And this is all part of the same process. So this video essentially is a pre-marketing video for our online workshops MBA, which helps you to basically create an online workshop and sell it, a sellable online workshop where we make sure you finish it within 4 weeks. And we hold your hand and make sure it's all done in order to achieve that. So what we've done is we've gone through those 3 elements, which essentially is not just about content, but about the 3 emotional blocks, which is selling it, finishing it, and essentially making sure that you have the discipline to do it on time. So if you want to create an online workshop, make sure that you identify where your client is, where they want to be, all the milestones in the middle, take 2 or 3 of these, okay, and then do some videos about those to support achieving that ultimate result. And use those videos not only for your content, but also for your marketing. And if you want to find out more, I'm going to be doing a free webinar, so click the link below or somewhere, wherever it may be, so that you can get a lot more content related to building your online program. This is Arthur Carmazzi, wishing you great success.